When you first start using GearJot, it's important to know some basic things like how to update your profile, how to change your password, and how to change how you receive notifications. To access these settings, click your name at the top right of any page. You'll then see a few drop-down options. Click Account. This will take you to your user profile page. Here, you can update your personal information like first and last name, email address, phone number, time zone, and profile photo. If you update any of these items, don't forget to click the Save button at the top. If you would like to change your password, click the Security tab on the left side under Profile. To change your password, you'll be required to correctly enter your current password, then enter your desired new password twice to ensure that you have entered it correctly. Then click the Save button. The Notifications page will allow you to set how GearJot notifies you. You can turn on and off both email and mobile push notifications. Both of these are checked by default. Example notifications that you may receive are that you've been assigned to a task, someone commented on a Jot that you created, or maybe to alert you of a new form submission. If you have made any changes on this page, remember to click the Save button. An important item to be aware of when using GearJot is what context you are in, which can either be company context or the Gear context. In the company context, you'll be able to view all the items like Gear, tasks, forms, service alerts, and Jots within your entire company. The Gear context restricts these items to only ones that are attached to the piece of gear whose context that you are currently in. You'll know that you are in a piece of gear's context if you see an equipment icon with a make, model, and unit number near the top left of the page. If you do not see this, then you are in the company context. You can always get back to the company context by clicking your company name at the top left of any page. Also with GearJot, it is possible to be a part of multiple companies. This comes in handy if you have maintenance contracts for different companies that all use GearJot. To change the company you are currently interacting with, click your name in the top right of any page. Then click Sign In to another company. Then a list of all the companies that you have been authorized to access will be displayed. Simply click on the company that you want to switch to. Then you'll be working within that company's GearJot account. That concludes this tutorial on GearJot Basics. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you still have some questions about this topic, please add a comment below. I highly recommend checking out our other GearJot tutorial videos, as well as subscribing to this channel so that you'll know when we post new video tutorials to help you get the most out of GearJot.